Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so for hot and mining, let's do the US version. Why? Well, because on TradingView, I'm not paying for the real time on Canadian, but the US is already real time. So you can see that it's going a little bit higher. But, okay, yeah, I want to check this one here. I am still undecided. Okay, let me double check here. I do believe still this is the A, the B, and the C wave didn't finish. We did go lower than a 1-to-1 ratio. We did hold this 0.236, but I do believe we are meant to go a little bit lower. And before I was using green box, now I don't know why I stopped, but I do believe this is it's a spot where hot-end mining should reach. And the reason is we have the 1.618 extension wave A, wave C ratio. So let me put the C wave here. Also, we have the fourth wave fib retracement 0.32, which would be the perfect one. And what else? We do have the MA55 also, that if price go lower, is going to go a little bit lower. So this box here, it's going to start to really be a heavy support for the price. And then let's see if after that, if it does reach this level, then if we can flip and change direction and go higher and start that fifth wave. Worst case scenario, well, we could go way lower and just call this as an ABC for a bigger wave A. This is a B and a C. That would be the more dramatic count that I know my friends wouldn't love, but still, yeah, well, what can I say? This is what I see now. If we go below the $46 and my friends will freak out, then we know the risk, right? If we fail here, the lower level then that's left is $46. When I was saying to sell here, my friends, they were sure that we're going to $100, and unfortunately we didn't. This was we had several indicators that kind of hinting the top, and they were convinced that this was an extension of that third wave. That's how much can you get from life, right? And market is not that generous usually. Okay, so yeah, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. The Canadian one also the same, as you can see. Confluence also there. Let me move that one maybe here. Change the side to the left. I almost feel removing the 1-to-1 ratio, but once again, we do have Confluence also, because anyways, the same stock, but this green box is going, I believe, to be reached, and this C wave should go here. Let's see how it goes. Now, if I do micro counting, I'm not sure I want to, but I know my friends, they want me to. I don't know. Could be this is diagonal. Here we didn't see it. I could say this is an ABC for the wave 1, this is wave 2, and now we're doing an ABC for the third wave, and then a fourth, and another ABC for the fifth wave. Some of my friends, they count this as a 1, 2, and then again, this is the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Once again, diagonal as well. But this, I mean, hot and mining, it's the structure, as you can see, it's very messy. So this is why I don't really focus on the structure short term. Even this A, it's kind of messy. The B wave, it's finally something nice, but I'm going to, as I say often, let's stick with the areas and not the structure. So this is the area where price could really find support, and we shall see. want to go on the daily and see the RSIs. So RSIs, you can see it's still not oversold. Actually, I was far from being from oversold. So it does have some room to go lower. And if I actually calculate that on the hourly time frame and the green box first level, that's bring us to almost 12% down. And between 11 and 13% down I'm expecting from Hot and Mining before something more, have a turnaround on momentum and price going higher. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Once again, this is not financial advice. Usually I don't say it in a video because, for sure it's a YouTube video, right? But since things are messy and really going down, I don't want people that they misunderstand. I'm saying buy this, buy that at that level. This is really personal action that you need to do. Do you agree with my structure or not? Maybe I'm totally wrong. So do your own due diligence. All right, so have a good day. Bye.